you're wanting a career in music, but you don't want to be tied down by set hours and pesky bosses, then this is the video for you. I've been working as a freelance musician for nearly 9 years now, and here are a few career options that I've come across where people seem to be having a pretty good time. The first one, and it's the one that I do mainly, is playing. So this is orchestral, session work, show work, weddings. There are so many different avenues you can go down with this. But remember, you'll do more of what you do. So try to knuckle down which area of the industry you're really interested in going into as early as you can and focus on those. Also consider longevity. What can you see yourself doing for years and years to come? The second option is private teaching. You get far more autonomy over your hours, where you work, whether you want to work from your house, whether you set up a little teaching room, or if you go to your pupils, and also what you get paid. You get to set your own rates, but make sure you do check what the going rate in the area that you're working in is so that you're in the right ballpark. But having said that, don't sell yourself short and undercharge either. If you've got the experience, you can charge a decent amount for your time. The downsides of private teaching are, however, that often your pupils won't want to have lessons in the holidays. So this can mean that throughout the year you can have some pretty big gaps in your income, especially over summer. So just consider how you're going to fill those holes throughout the year. Also, be prepared to be working in the evenings and on the weekends if you want this to be your main income stream. But like I said, you can block out times. If there is a period of the week, every week, where you go off and play badminton, you can block that out every single time. So you do have quite a bit of control over when and where you work, but just bear in mind that you do have to fit around school hours. I know, it's very annoying. The third one, and this is the one that I think musicians are probably not taking advantage of enough, and it's online tutoring. Whether this is instrumental or academic, there is a huge market for online tutoring, and it is a great option if you prefer to work from home. It also means you can massively expand your market by teaching overseas students. Number 4 is being a sound technician. You can either market yourself as somebody that is happy to tour with bands, so that means you'll go everywhere with them and make sure that everything is set up exactly how they like it at each venue that they're playing at. Or, if you'd rather stay a bit closer to home, you can get in contact with venues and market yourself that way. Also, side note, instrumentalists love working with sound techs who have some musical playing experience themselves. They speak our language, they know what they want, they can preempt what we want a lot of the time, and a lot of the time, they know what we want better than we do. So if that's you, get your name out there because you will soon find yourself being asked back. And then the fifth and final one, which is a little bit of a 2-in-1, is composing and arranging. A lot of musicians will find themselves arranging on the side, especially if they work in the wedding industry. We often get requests from couples getting married for specific songs or specific pieces, and then obviously we have to arrange that for the bunch of instruments that we have on that particular day. But this is a really time-consuming task, especially if it's not one you're used to doing a lot. So if you market yourself as an arranger and you approach groups that are doing a lot of work, you can start carving out quite a nice little niche for yourself. The copywriting laws around this do, however, vary depending on where you live, so please make sure that you check that before embarking on this venture. And then composing is an amazing option that can lead you to working in TV and film, but be prepared that a lot of composers you'll come across will have studied it at music college or university. So if this is an area of the industry that you're wanting to go into, I would encourage you to get some formal training. If this is a topic that you're really interested in and you're just wanting some more information, then watch this video here. I take you through a step-by-step what to do if you're starting out from the very beginning, and I think it'll help you a lot. Please do like this video if you have enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you are not, because most of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye!